Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Vincent here with us this morning, and Vincent and Joseph just referred their dad in, who you saw me do a decompression adjustment on. So we're going to show you why they refer patients here. So I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, Vincent. And then back to neutral. Now see, your head's more centered than it has been. You're off to a little bit to the right, but not near as bad. See, look how you got more room here though than you do over here. See that? So your pelvis is shifted left of center on the x-axis. Okay. So since you're having increased amount of acid reflux today, I'm going to do the knee chest on you first. So can I switch places with you there, Joseph? Okay. Now, we're going to have you on your knees right here and your face up in here for me, please, sir. No, up a little higher. There you go. Now, just let your spine kind of relax down. Let gravity kind of bend it in there. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Good job. Okay. Felt that one down deep, didn't you? Yep. Now we're going to decompress your entire spine. I was adjusting T11, T12, L1 there with the Gonstead knee chest table. Crack addict's going to love you. There we go. Yeah. No, don't slide down too much. Slide back. There you go. Good. It's going to feel tight. Okay, nice easy breath through your nose. There we go. That was all the way through.
Yes, sir.
Yep. You're still kicking, you're good. Alright, so now we're going to do the palmar diversified cervical rotary break. Yep. Oh yeah. Good job. Okay, so when you get up, Vincent, you want to sit up sideways with your arm pushing you up, remember?
Yes, sir.
And let's have you come over here and lay on your tummy on this table over here now.
Yes, sir.
There we go. There we go. Right leg's about 1/4 of an inch short. That's why your pelvis is shifted to the right on the x-axis. It tightens up a little bit right there, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your pelvis is shifted left, so I'm going to put it to the right. We do the mirror image. You'll feel your pelvis pop up a little bit. Keep breathing. You didn't think there was any pops left in there, did you? Okay, I got you. You just drop your arms down a little bit. There you go. Better. Okay, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. Now, a lot of patients that suffer from acid reflux and hiatal hernia and GERD symptoms benefit from chiropractic adjustments of the thoracic spine and rib cage. So let's turn you on your back now, Vincent. We don't treat acid reflux or hiatal hernia or GERD, the actual disease, but what we do treat is the biomechanical position of the spine and the extremities, including the rib cage. Okay, slide down about 1 inch. And let's put your arms straight out, palms up. So when the rib cage and the thoracic spine are lined up properly, the diaphragm is strong and the hiatus is strong and holds the stomach down and prevents acid from getting up into the esophagus, which that's what acid reflux is. Vincent had a really bad bout with it this weekend and today. So he's asked me to work on that, but if you notice, I'm doing the same adjustments that I would if he was just coming in here for his spine, except I'm going to do this. Take a deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. Keep exhaling. Right now I'm just grabbing his anterior abdominal muscles and I'm pulling them straight down, which I'm getting down deep into the stomach down in there. So I'm actually pulling the stomach down a little bit too. Exhale all the way. Keep it through your mouth. Keep blowing out. There we go. Okay, now one more time. There we go. Want to check your ileocecal valve here too. Is that a little sore right there as well? Yes, sir. Yeah. Just rubbing his ileocecal valve in a clockwise direction, which will loosen up any obstructions there are in between the small intestine and large intestine. Okay, just relax your leg in my hand now. Oh yeah. Should have felt that all the way up.
Yes, sir.
There you go. That's it. Okay, good. Let's sit you up, face over towards Joseph. There you go. There we go. You want to keep your chin up and back all the time. Nope. There. That's it. That's it. Good. There we go. Just keep breathing. There you go. The more you just breathe and relax when you get adjusted, the easier it goes. Okay, let's stand up here in front of them here, Vincent. I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. Yep, that's already a little better. See how we opened up that space?
Yes, sir.
So let's pull these shoulders up and back. Now, we're going to bring your head straight back. Now, you tilt it back. See, straight back first.
Mm-hmm.
You're a little to the right, so we're going to shift left. Now, shift your pelvis straight right towards your dad. Now, look at the wall behind you. You're going to feel a little tap on your atlas right there. Right there. Now, relax. Okay, now let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again for me. Did that feel any different to you that time?
Yes, sir.
Look how you're right down the middle everywhere right now.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. So you came in here with your acid reflux at a 10. How does it feel right now at this moment?
It's gone. Completely.
Gone.
Mm-hmm.
Now see, we didn't treat him for his acid reflux or hiatal hernia. We treated him for subluxations and biomechanical improprieties of the thoracic spine and rib cage, which strengthened up his hiatus here, and that's holding his stomach down there where it's supposed to be, and prevents the acid from getting up into his esophagus. There's never a guarantee of cure of any disease process, so we just take things one visit at a time with our patients, and Vincent shared his experience with you today. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you.
And this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.